Hey friends, if you wish to disable Microsoft Defender Antivirus in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. It's easy. Just search for Windows Security in the Windows search bar and open Windows Security. Now go to the Virus and Threat Protection tab on the list on the left hand side. Select Advanced Options. Click on Full Scan. Scroll down and click on Scan Now. That is it. It will do the job for you. The next one will be, so this is how to disable Microsoft Defender Antivirus in Windows 11. And the next one is that what would we do once we have disabled it. So press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type MRT and hit enter. Okay, this is an alternative malware removal tool which is more powerful than Microsoft Defender, and you can select full scan and click on next. So you can use it occasionally to scan for antivirus, scan for viruses and malware on your system, and Windows Defender will be turned off, so it will not scan for anything separately, thus speeding up your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.